NRB is India's largest needle and cylindrical roller bearings producer headquartered in Mumbai. NRB was incorporated in 1965 as an Indo-French venture with Nadella and pioneered the production of needle roller bearings in India. Its 8 manufacturing facilities in India and Thailand produce needle roller bearings, cylindrical roller bearings, tapered roller bearings, special ball bearings, thrust bearings and other anti-friction solutions such as planetary shafts and pins. The company set up a state-of-the-art engineering and design center at its manufacturing unit in Thane in 2000. Today the facility has testing, validation and benchmarking capabilities. Official website. Template. Economic Times. NRB Bearings. Template. Innovative design. NRB Bearings. Template. Business Today. Most powerful women Harshbina Sahni Zaveri. Template. Fortune. Most powerful women in business. Template. CFO India Tanushree Bagrodia. http. Economic Times. India Times. News, company, corporate trends, lady with the right bearings, article show, 2,458,833. CMS. http. www.nari.com. Interview Indian woman entrepreneur, Harshbina Sahni Zaveri. http. www.livemint.com. Companies, JGOGCRO23U6 Wapidim, making a dent in a male bastion. HTML. http. Wands.com. The women who inspire us. http. Express India. Indian Express.com. Karnataka Poll 08, story_page. PHP. Id equals 873,399. https. www.theodollarbusiness.com. News. Precision driven. 43,174. https. www.vccircle.com. Nalanda Capital buys around 8-stake auto ancillary firm NRB Bearings. http. www.indiantelevision.com. Released Y2K13, Junral 15. PHP. http. Rakesh Jumchanwala. In NRB Bearings is undervalued, has strong upside, buy now for 28 gain Chrysal. https. www.chrysal.com. Ratings, brochureware, news, CRISIL research_PR_IER_NRB% 20 bearings_02 Jan 2014. PDF.